And Opto Circuits surges 5% as the company's group company Cardiac Science has won $23 million from Zoll in a case over defibrillator technology. In fact, let's discuss this in greater detail. Vinod Ramnani, the CMD of the company, now joins in. Hi Vinod, we understand that one of your group companies has been awarded $23 million in a case with respect to Zoll over, defibrillator technology. Can you, give us some details? This $23 million which you won, which is going to be awarded to you in lost royalties, this is over what past period, and going forward, what will be the royalties every year?
Well, this is like, the point is that we have a technology and we are IP company, and royalties been granted by unanimous jury, and it was a verdict. So the point is that Zoll was sold to SI for about $2 billion, and majority of the business is coming from the technology that they got from us under the license. So, I just want to make a point here that if the unanimous jury gone in our favor, so that will just speak about itself, that the company valuation is whatever it is, but we have such a good IP, and we just won this unanimously from 12-member jury.
Right.
So there's a point here. Right. I want to make it very clear that we have a good technology and IP.
Fair enough, Mr. Ramnani. But just to understand some details about this $23 million, to get in some numbers, this is over what period? Do you win $23 million over 1 year period, a 2 year period? And going forward?
No, because when we bought the company, this was going on case, and then it is like on a period of time, and we signed a deal with the company they acquired, and this accumulated royalty they were supposed to pay us, and then Zoll was acquired by SI in Japan for approximately $2 billion, and they refused to do that, and then ultimately we won the lawsuit with the jury.
All right.
So we have a very strong technology, and we can just count on that.
Correct.
And that's the point.
All right.
$23 million will come to the company, which will make it healthier, and we can go forward with working capital.
Okay.
And at the same time, there's a point that we have a fantastic technology in IP.
Correct,
so
correct. Mr. Ramnani, that point is well taken, but so this is a one-time payment that you'll receive? This $20 million?
Yes.
Yeah?
$23 million, and at the same time,
okay.
We can have our own variable risk, which is the majority of those business.
All right. Okay, Mr. Ramnani, then let's take it ahead. When does this money come into your books? What will it be used for? What is your current debt?
Debt is different, but then we will have working capital.
Okay.
The money comes in the system, then we can really go with because we had stress, as you know, for last 2-3 years. That is out our, working with some exit.
Okay, so you will use this entire 140 crore to pay your debt?
Debt, plus we will put something into new product line as we launch G5, our new, AED. Right. And then we'll just have a few more products in the pipeline, so that I must expect them.
Right.
Including variable risk, for which we are getting the royalty.
All right. Mr. Ramnani, could you tell us what is your current debt and how much are you looking to bring it down by? This will be more than 100 crores. So what is your current debt?
Yeah, but current debt, debt is one thing which we have the arrangement.
Correct. Could you give us that number, sir?
With the bank. Debt is just whatever is that, 1,500.
Correct.
But the valuation of the company is much more than So the point is that we have the IP, which is very strong, and down the line, it may take 1 year, 2 years, but down the line, we will be able to take care of all the debt, and will be on the healthy,
Right. Mr. Ramnani, just to understand it and get it clear, this $23 million is a one-time payment for past royalties. Going forward, you will not be getting any royalties from Zol, right?
No, but then we have, we are going to launch our own product.
Fair enough, but there will be no royalties that you will get.
Yeah, but then we will have our own product, which is like Zol has the majority of the business coming from their product, and they were sold to SI Japan for approximately $2 billion. So that's the point.
So you will be launching a competing product?
Absolutely, yes.
When will that launch take place, and what is the kind of opportunity you expect?
We are just working on it. So.
Correct. All right, Mr. Ramnani, one final question with regard to an outlook for FY16. I think last year you did around 1,200 crores on the top line. Give us some guidance for the coming year.
Well, honestly, I think it should just get better.
Okay.
My opinion,
some numbers, sir?
We launched P5. Right. I cannot give the numbers, but it will be better than. It just grow from here.
All right.
Just put that.
All right, Mr. Ramnani, thanks so much for joining in this morning and, in fact, giving us all those details on that case that has been won. More than $23 million is what he'll receive. They'll be looking part of the proceeds to pay off their debt. And going ahead as well, the management is quite confident, and that's why the stock is excited. It's higher by close to around 7.5%.